Hey everyone, I'm Carol Ann Mills and I have something for you. I did something completely different and profound last year. I wrote a prophecy letter. And what a prophecy letter is a letter in all areas of your life, your body, your mind, your relationships, your career, that you break down and you look ahead and you speak as if you've already achieved all of your goals. And you get very specific. I have done many goal setting workshops before and never had the kind of results that I got in this letter writing. I actually looked over it because my prophecy letter was 2 pages and I realized I had achieved about 75%. And then the other 25%, it's not that I didn't achieve it, I set the foundation for achieving it this year. So I'm offering this to you for free. It's here in the beautiful town of San Pedro on January 14, 2023. There's more information at the bottom if you click the link. If you're interested in showing up, it's only 2 hours. And the worst thing that could happen is you could, potentially have a life of your dreams. So I hope to see you, and please let me know if you have any questions, and if you could RSVP so we know how many to attend, that'd be great. Thank you, and happy holidays.